What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is a Rue 21 try-on haul, but more specifically, comfy, cozy winter clothing that I am so excited to try on for you guys. It's definitely getting a little bit more chilly here in California, so I'm super excited to show you guys some cozy vibe options. I feel like I haven't shopped at Rue 21 in forever, so when I hopped on the site and saw the adorable options that they had, I was super excited, and I was also excited because of how affordable their clothing is. So if you guys have never shopped on Rue 21's website, definitely go check it out. Everything that I talk about today will be linked down below in the description box. Without further ado, let's get into this haul. So the very first item that I picked out is this super cozy like teddy jacket. I absolutely love this color, and I've always wanted a jacket made of this material and this color. So when I saw this one, I knew it was gonna be mine. This one is actually a zip up, which I think is awesome. Sometimes I'm just not in the mood for like a pullover sweater, and I'm not the biggest fan of like huge hoodies. I don't know why. I just feel like it's too much like in the neck area. So I love a good zip up. The zipper is black, which I think is a cool touch, as well as the trim on the arms is black. There are two pockets, which is nice. I just think it's so cozy and so soft without being like overkill. Like, I definitely am not gonna be in the snow in this jacket, but it's perfect for that cooler weather. I picked this sweater up in a size 1X, and it was $21.90. Next up, I picked up this black half zip fleece sweatshirt. I absolutely fell in love with the checkered detailing. There is a checkered trim up here on the collar as well as on the wrists. I just think that's super cute. There is one pocket here in the front, so both of my hands can touch, just like a normal like hoodie sweatshirt pocket. And then the bottom does have elastic. This is super, super warm and cozy, yet still lightweight. So like I said with the previous jacket, I probably wouldn't be out in the snow or anything in this, but it's perfect for like a chilly day, which is pretty much the vibe of this entire haul. You guys will see. I picked up this half zip in a size 1X, and it was $15.26. Then I picked up this black hoodie. It is definitely more of a lightweight hoodie. It has the drawstrings here for the hood, which is nice. And the thing that I like most is this little embroidered flame. I think that is so cute. It just reminds me of a little emoji. And when I showed Carlos this sweater, he immediately thought of Tinder, which is hilarious because that is how we both met. So I think this is super cute. The only bummer about it is that there are no pockets, but I guess if you're wearing pants that have pockets, then you'll be just fine. But I really like it, and I love how lightweight it is. It doesn't feel too constricting here in the neck. There's a nice like good amount of room, I would say. I picked this one up in a 1X also, and it was $15.28. Okay, so I just realized that just about everything I got in this haul is black, but I mean, are you mad? I love black. Next up, I picked up a pair of joggers, and these are like a stretchy sweatshirt material pair of pants that do have pockets. I really love how both legs have a little bit of distressing, which just gives it a little bit of a like more trendy touch than just regular sweatpants. There is a drawstring here in the front, which is nice, so you can tie it as tight as you want. And I picked these up in a 2X because I am bigger on the bottom half than I am on the top. And these were super affordable as well. These cost $16.07. Then I picked up a pair of high-rise leggings, and these have these really cute like checkered stripes going down each side. I will say I picked these up in a 1X, and I wish I would have gotten a 2X because they're supposed to be super high-rise and they are not. And I think that is because they're a little bit too tight. So I should have gotten a 2X, but also they are 100% see-through. So I am not sure how much I would recommend these unless you don't really care about your pants being see-through. I do. like at least for going out in public. I obviously don't want people seeing my booty hole. These were $10.08, so super inexpensive. So if you're just hanging around the house and still want to look cute, these are the leggings for you. But for me, they are just not really that comfortable because they're a little bit snug. So I don't know. Maybe I will exchange them for a bigger size and hopefully that would make me like them a little bit more, but they're just super thin and really, really see-through. So that was it for this Rue 21 try-on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm super excited with the cozy items that I picked out and I cannot wait to wear them this winter. You guys have no idea how excited I am that it's not summer anymore. Like, I hate being hot. I hate it with a passion. So I'm super excited for this cooler weather. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below in the comment section. Don't forget to check the description box for links to everything that I showed you today. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.